Okay, it says we need our friend the lovely normal probability applet.
Yep.
Okay, where'd the quiz go? Oh, yippee. All right. Get back to it here. This ding dong thing.
So if you got your applet up?
Getting it. I was in there and somehow it bumped me out of it, so let me get back in. I don't know why it did that, but it did. Now I have to go back and re-answer 1 and 2. How rude. Okay. Find the combined area under the standard normal curve that is to the right of Z 1.368. And they want just the right of it, or do they want the left too?
I'm seeing find the combined area under the standard normal curve.
And to the left, so it's, okay, so it's both sides. And I'm seeing
The combined area and to the right?
that's my understanding of it, is that it would be to the right and to the left, so leaving the center of it unmarked. It would be 0.1713. Is that what you're getting?
I just can't figure out exactly what it wants.
Oh, let's see here.
Because it tells us to find the combined area under the standard normal curve.
That is to the right of that and to the left. That's why I'm thinking it's both areas. Hello, I hear somebody else.
She's got a little bit of noise.
Really? Can you hear me?
We
Yeah,
can. Hello,
Wow.
Molly.
I guess I'll have to be nice now. Be nice and polite.
Yeah.
Then I better mute so I can be the one.
Watch my P's and Q's.
So
I
what?
agree.
So you got
171.
Huh?
I think it's the 0.171.
I think it is too, because they're asking for the left of it and to the right of it. And for both of those, it's the 0.1713 answer.
Right.
Did I type in the wrong numbers? Let's see, I typed in the wrong numbers, 1 through 5, 8. See, I transpose and stuff. That gets me in trouble all the time.
I always have to check my stuff.
Okay.
1358.
Yep.
Do we round up?
Yes.
Round your answer 2 decimal places, okay.
0.175, right?
Hold on.
Yeah, because the 4 would go to 5 because you're rounding that.
So 0.1713, correct?
I think you did the wrong number. I think you did 1.368, didn't you?
Yeah, I did, because that's what it says to do.
Ours says 1.35.
Okay, hold on. Hold on. Let's make it a little bigger. See if that helps anything. Good heavens. 1358, okay. Now let's get the dumb thing back to normal size. Come on. I don't want to print it. I just want to make it small again.
Got her, so we can go to question 4.
175. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Okay.
Which of the following will have a smaller standard deviation if 9 observations are randomly drawn? The distribution of the number of observations is X. It's not. The observations are X. X bar would be your means. I don't know. It's either B or C, I think, but I'm not sure.
I think it might be B, but
Let's see. Following have similar standard deviation if 9. I don't know. I'm gonna go with B.
Okay. Number 5, which of the following results implies that the spread of X in X bar decreases as the sample size increases? Is that the central limit?
I think so. Let me pull it up real quick.
So it'll be as you.
I'll take it. Thank you. Okay. Let me bring this up real quick. Oh, back up here. Lesson 6. Okay, works. Okay. When you have observed, blah. Okay, let's try this again. You have observed in simulations that if the sample size is large, the random variable X bar will be approximately normally distributed. In other words, the sampling distribution of the sample mean will be approximately normal if the sample size is sufficiently large. This important result is called the central limit theorem.
Okay. We'll go with your answer then. Central limit theorem.
Yeah, if I'm wrong, sue me. You won't get much, but hey.
Scores on the quantitative portion of the GRE are approximately normally distributed with a mean of 150.8 and a standard deviation of 8.8. Okay. Now, what do we got to find out? Questions. We're going to use this one. Diane scored 160.
Okay, what is the formula?
We want to find her Z-score.
Yeah.
What is the for Diane? So
160 minus 8.8 divided by 8.8.
Okay.
So 9.2 divided by 8.8.
Yep. So 1045.
Yep.
1.04.
Yeah. Does it? Okay. Round to 3 decimal places.
3 decimal.
So that would be 1.046. No, sorry. 1.045.
It should drop. That's why I'm a little bit worried about that question 3. That maybe it's 1.74 because of 5. But anyways, we'll go from there. Okay,
yeah.
Okay. Question 7. What is the probability? That a randomly selected students.
I guess so. What is the formula for this?
So we just have to plug that z-score into the probability.
Into the applet.
Uh-huh.
Okay, 1.046. No. Point.
And only highlight the right side.
Okay.
Yep.
0.1480.
Yep, 0.148.
Okay.
Number 8.
What is the z-score?
Wow, we actually have to find the mean on this one?
I can find the mean.
129.
So we're just going to calculate the average on these.
5. So the mean is 160.
160,
Yeah.
right? They were telling us what it was before. Yeah, they're cheating. Or they're trying to trick us.
Yeah, they're tricking us.
Okay, so how do we find the z-score from here? Is that the one? I'm confused. this is the great state of confusion at this point.
Random sample size since associated and the scores are what? What is the z-score corresponding to the sample mean of these students' scores? Okay.
Was this where we take the standard deviation of 8.8 divided by the number of students?
Divided by the square root of 5.
The square root of 5? I think so.
Okay, so
8 divided by the square root of 5.
7, 9, 8.
Oh, I did the wrong number.
okay, that comes out to 3.93 or 3.94.
5. Okay. And so we divide.
Would it?
What are we trying to get? The z-score. Okay.
Yeah, the z-score. 8.8.
Oh. And the mean on that one is the same. So
The mean is 160.
So are we
So
using
I got,
same 160 we used before?
yeah,
Yeah.
because that would be our average. Our mean, I guess. Wait a minute.
Are we subtracting 160 from 160 though? Or what's the first number?
That's
That's
yeah. That yeah.
random. Their scores
Is that question? Okay, it goes for the next 4 questions. So
right. It's all part of.
9.
okay.
Right.
So the 160 mean is the mean of the sample. So we use that. That's the sample mean. You take the sample mean minus the other mean?
Yeah,
I think so.
good
So
question.
I think it's still 160 minus 150.8.
I think so as well. So that'd be 9.2. And I
Divided
got the 8.8 divided by the square root of 5, because we're using the 5 students, right?
Right.
So I got 3.935.
5.
I'm total. Yeah.
You take 8.8 divided by the square root of 5, and that gives you the bottom,
Which-
that gives you the denominator, which is the
Which
I got
3.354. So,
But then what's the top number?
9.2.
Okay, the 9.2, and then divide that by the 3.93.
Yes. 2.338.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah, I got 2.338. 33799, so 2.338.
Okay.
Now we got to plug that one back into the other thing.
I don't know.
No, because we're just getting the z-score. That's it.
Oh, we're just getting. Oh, yeah, you're right.
Okay, so the 8 point. I'm totally confused. Okay.
So the 8.8 is your deviation from the
Right.
original
Right.
above, and you're dividing it by how many samples we're using, which is 5, but the square root of 5.
Is it right? Is it 3.935?
Yeah.
Okay, so where is the 9.2 coming into play?
It's the top, so it's the 160 divided by the 150.8
Okay.
minus 150.8.
Okay, 9.2 divided by 3.935. Sorry. $2.38 or 34?
2.338.
Okay.
I think that's what we got, right?
Yep.
Okay.
What is the probability that 5 random selected students will have a mean score that is greater than the mean? So now is where we punch it into the,
Mm-hmm.
so 2.338,
Okay. So
which is 0.0097. How many?
0.0097, and that's what 4 points is what they want.
Okay, so we all get on 0.0097?
Yep.
Yeah.
10. Oh, here's a homework, and it's making me mad on the one because I couldn't get the problem right.
Which homework? 6 or 7 or last
7.
week? Oh, goody. Okay.
Not this
Hey.
particular part, but it was, they don't have it. Maybe they have it in here. We'll see when we get down to it. Okay. 7 is well known that the distribution is left skewed. A random sample of N 81 students is drawn. So approximately normal because it's well over 30.
Yes.
Yeah.
What is the mean distribution sample means? So that's still 0.07, right?
All possible samples. 81 can be drawn from. Yeah. What is the mean of the distribution of the sample?
So that's just the, no, 3 point standard deviation. Oh, heck, what am I doing? GPA is 3.5.
What is the mean of the distribution of the sample mean? It's the same. Yeah, it's the same.
Yeah, it stays the same.
Yep.
That's just our mean 3.5.
3.5. Okay.
My brain is dead tonight.
It's going to explode if I actually ever understand this crap. Not likely.
What is the standard deviation of the distribution of the sample means for all possible size of 81 that could be drawn from a parent population? Okay.
Standard deviation.
Oh, this is why I need to mute, because I don't know. What?
So aren't we missing? What was the standard deviation? Well, the standard deviation is this, it's just,
It is the standard deviation divided by the square root of the sample size.
So we take 81 divided by 0.07?
Well, the square root of 81 would be,
Yeah. Square root,
excuse me,
so 81
so
square root 9.
0.7 divided by 9.
Is that what the
0.78.
divided by 9?
So 0.00, how many?
I've got one
So
zero, so 0.078.
Yeah.
Where did I get? I did 0.07. Grab the stinking homework.
I'm too poor to pay
Okay.
attention. So.
Good job. Okay, what is the probability that the mean GPA of 81 randomly selected BYU students will be less than? So this is now we're going to do the 33 minus 3.5.
Randomly selected. Okay.
Okay, 3.3 minus 3.5. Oh. Negative 0.02. Or, sorry, negative 0.2. And then do we plug that into the applet?
3.3 minus 3.5 divided by 7 divided by
What's it?
0.7.
What is the probability?
Less than 3.3. Look at that. And here. Point 0.005.
Point what?
0.005.
Okay. How do
Hey,
you?
tell me how you did that.
Yeah.
Well, you take that 3.3, that's your X bar, and you subtract it
Correct.
from the 0.5. That gives you minus 0.2.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You divide it by that 0.078 that we found earlier. And that gives you
Okay.
minus 2.564.
Right.
And you plug that into your applet.
So
Okay.
0.005.
Yep, because you're just doing the left side. It's under that number. Or less than, I guess.
0.005. Okay, that's how that works. I might have actually learned something tonight. Amazing. Okay.
I stayed home sick from work yesterday, so I did lots of statistics.
I thought about it.
So I did all the homework.
I don't call it very often.
Those are the
Okay.
I have to do this week.
What is the probability? So all we have to do is change sides on this one.
Be greater than 3.3. Well, it would be the middle and the right side.
It would be the middle too?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's greater than 3.3. Yeah, it'd be everything above.
Everything above the
So-
negative 3.3?
Everything above the
Yeah.
minus 2.564.
2.564.
Okay, whoa,
Point-
hold on.
9948.
Hold on. Okay, let's redo this.
Off of the
I did it
2.564
wrong.
negative deviation, everything to the right side.
Okay. 0.995.
95.
Okay.
0.995. We're getting
Okay.
close.
Doesn't mean anything.
Well, we got them all right. We're gonna knock it out of the park this first one.
So,
Well, yeah.
So 185 pounds for the mean.
since the mean weight of passengers in commercial bus is 185 pounds.
Standard deviation was 26.7.
6.7.
The weight of a sandal. So they're 7.6 on 48 of them. Find the probability that the random weight that is extreme or more extreme. $22.6 pounds, 26.7. 48.
I don't get it.
Find the probability that a random sample of passengers will have a weight that is extreme or more extreme, either above or below the mean that was observed in the sample round. So we would do the whole calculation on this one, the 176 minus the 185, or 177. 26.7 and square root of 48.
Yeah. What did you get?
And I got 1.920 to put into the graph, into the applet. And I got
Dang,
then I got 0.0549 as the area on the left and the right, extremely light and extremely left. I don't know if my math is right, but
I got 1.859.
1.859.
Yeah.
Maybe I wrote down. So 26.7. 3.8. So did you do 177.6 minus the 185
Uh-huh.
on the top?
Oh, I did it the other way around.
Okay.
Did I do it wrong? I think I did it wrong. The mean
'Cause-
weight.
Our mean would
Yeah.
be the X bars, the 185, and then we're going to
Yeah.
use our new one at 177, right?
Yeah, I switched them.
Okay, so it'd be a negative 7.4,
Mm-hmm. And
and then
that's
divided by the Then when I did the bottom calculation, I got 3.854. Then I came up with a 1.920. Then I plugged it in. Whether that's right or not, I don't know. So 0.055.
What in the world? What did you get for the bottom again?
I took the 26.7 by the square root of 48, and I got 3.85 something, so 0.3854.
I am so screwed. I got 3.980201. Let me do it. That's 7,000th time. 6.9. Wait,
So do you do 26.9 or 26.7? I show 26.7.
I did 26.7. I have a 6.8. Okay. All right. Yeah, I had that wrong. 2.853813.
38.
7.4 divided by 0.8538. Minus 1.92. That's what you said, right?
Yeah.
So they answered 1.92.
That's to punch in. That's your z-score. And then we got to find how many people are above and below the weights, right?
Yep.
Did I read it right?
Yep.
So did you get 0.0549
Yeah.
or 0.055?
Yep.
All
Okay.
right, let's see. One and two are correct. Yay. 3, 4, 5 is wrong.
5 is wrong.
Yep. 6 is right. 7 is right. 8 is right. 9 is right. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15.
So it's got to be the law of large numbers then, that number 5.
So,
Okay.
So I get, because it's not going to be the 68.95 thing, and it's not normal distribution, so it's got to be large numbers.
let me submit it. I think it's got to be large numbers, but. Yep, we got 100.
Okay.
Great. I'm glad you
cool.
showed me how to do that 13 on the homework questions. That's the same one that was on there. And I just couldn't figure out how to do the 0.005. And you walked me through it. Nice job. Thanks.
Great.
All right.
I wonder what next week is like. Do we have regular homework, or is it just
It's like it looks
studying
like
for
we
the?
have regular plus the test. 2,
Oh,
8, and 9 plus the test. I'm just going, holy moly. I have to call in sick on Monday. Calling sick to myself. There we go.
lesson 8. Well, lesson 8 is review for the exam. Do we have more than that?
Oh,
I don't think so, no.
okay, so that's good. If lesson 8's review, then that's awesome. I didn't read into that.
I wonder if he does a review, or
If you
is there a quiz for the review?
if there's anyone that can attend his class during the week, he will do whatever you want.
I can't.
Yeah, if
That's impossible for me.
yeah, I try to attend, and if somebody shows up, he records and sends it out. So if you want him to review stuff, you could email it to him and ask him to record it. He would do it. He did that today because he didn't have anybody show up, but he had questions,
Some
so
emails,
he
huh?
recorded those. Yeah, and
If on 8 and we can work on that, because that's Monday is the 30th, right?
yeah.
Monday night, we can review all that on our stuff. That'd be great. And then I could take the test Tuesday or Wednesday. I'll be ready by then. Who knows?
So it looks like there's just
We
a
didn't-
group meeting quiz. There, and I don't think there's a regular quiz, just the exam. So
Right. I don't think you have any. I think all we have is the group meeting stuff, and we just review what we need to and go through stuff.
Okay. That's good.
how are they? Are the tests really hard, John?
Yes.
And
Yeah.
The guy that's in my spreadsheet class, he says, I did really good on the first one. He says, I got a B+, and after that, I couldn't pass him with beans. But he got good enough on his other stuff that he made it through the class. But he says they got harder and harder.
They do. They do.
I don't know. I was doing a spreadsheet last night. It took me 3.5 hours to do it. And I was going, holy moly, just one of them.
Yeah, it's like,
Maybe it'll get faster as I get a little better at it.
and we're gonna
Okay.
use this?
Yep. Okay, well, we'll keep plugging away. Good luck on your homework.
Yep. All right.
We'll see you guys on Monday night.
Yep.
Okay, have a good night.